talked to a lot of people. All of them said, look, we have a lot of problems. So the number one thing we want is jobs. The number two thing we want is jobs. The number three thing we want is jobs.
जब मैं 2 साल की थी तभी पापा की डेथ हो गई, तो इसकी वजह से हमें बहुत ज़्यादा तकलीफ़ सहनी पड़ी। मम्मी का भी वो कुछ डिसीज़ की वजह से उनका भी डेथ हो गया था। तो उस टाइम पे मैं 12 इयर्स की थी उस टाइम पे। फिर जब मम्मा का डेथ हुआ तो नाना-नानी के पास ही रहने लगी।
वो बहुत तमन्ना था कि हमारी लड़की को अच्छा से अच्छा बना सकती हैं माँ, तो वही किया। लड़का को मत पढ़ाना मगर लड़की को पढ़ाना।
Only opportunities for women in Meteor Blues at that time was being a mom, or being a teacher maybe, or maybe a lace worker. But ultimately we brought the jobs to Meteor Blues.
What we've seen is opportunities grow in India in the digital space. There was a real gap between a level of education that gave them basic literacy and, frankly, a good understanding of digital skills and the opportunity to get well-paying jobs. And that is the gap that Anudeep was able to fill.
So first of all, if we are doing teamwork, so it's benefit our time, because if we are doing individual, so we can't do anything. Like अगर हम कर रहे हैं अपने अगर टीम में कर रहे हैं तो वो एक सब मिल करके करेंगे तो ज़्यादा जल्दी काम हो जाएगा.
She deserves a clap because she said very right that
We're thinking ahead. The advent of AI has us all kind of scrambling to think about what is next. What are the jobs of the future in India, and where can the workforce in India be best deployed? And I think this is where Anudeep is going to be a pioneer.
So we're looking at these job roles and we started working with industry to understand what are some of the tools that could be used, could be embedded in the curriculum to augment their work. We are ensuring that there is a job relevant AI training in all of our courses.
What is the class of this topic?
डॉग, क्लासिक डॉग.
Exactly.
आगे जा कर के मैं जॉब देखूंगी, अगर कोई अच्छा जॉब मिल जाएगा तो उस जॉब के थ्रू मैं फैमिली को सपोर्ट करूंगी, फिर खुद मैं इंडिपेंडेंट वुमेन बनूंगी, उसके बाद जो मुझे चाहिए होगा मैं वो कुछ कर पाऊंगी अचीव.
We heard about the Anudeep Foundation, that a company which is providing the basic computer knowledges, and that will also help us to enhance our jobs profiles. So with that I joined Anudeep. I'm taking care of many AI projects or computer vision projects. So basically the LiDAR, Gen AI and simulation project, and I have 9 trainers under me.
Before that, I don't have any computer knowledge and I don't know how to cope up in the marketplace, like how to speak, how to interview, how to go for an interview, all these things I have learned from Anudeep sir.
I'm basically working with the agriculture AI domain.
It's a roller coaster experience, let's put it that way. When a disabled person who has to crawl over a railway bridge to get on a train gets a job, the feeling you get of achieving something, we've been able to serve. The other thing we've learned a lot is humility. We are there because of them. If we have helped them, it's because they wanted to build a better life for themselves.
तो हमको और तमन्ना है, आगे चल के और बढ़े.